Hi guys, in this video you will get information about the universities of Spain in which you can consider doing the master's program. I will tell you the duration of the course and also the approximate tuition fee. Number 1, Polytechnic University of Catalonia, UPC, located in city Barcelona. Program is MSc in Artificial Intelligence. Duration is 18 months. Approximate tuition fee in euro is euro 1743 to euro 2700. It is a public university. Course is conducted in English. On number 2 is Pompey Fabra University, UPF. The university is located in Barcelona. Course is MSc in Data Analytics for Business / Data Science. Duration is 12 months and approximate tuition fee is euro 16,000 and varies from program to program. A course is taught in English and the course starts in September every year. Number 3 is IE Business School, IE University, located in Madrid. Master in Finance, 10 to 12 months course, and the fee is approximately euro 42,000, and it is an English taught program, and it starts every September and April. On number 4 is ESADE Business School. It is located in Barcelona. Course is MSc or Master in International Management. For 12 months, it is conducted for 12 months and the tuition fee varies and taught in English, and course starts every September. Number 5 is the University of Barcelona, which is called UB Barcelona. It is located in Barcelona. MSc in International Business or MSc in Artificial Intelligence. They have various courses. It lasts for 12 to 18 months and the public fee varies, but it is very affordable. The courses are taught in English as well as in Spanish. The course starts every September and it is a large public university with many English taught programs. So guys, I have given you the names of 5 universities from where you can do master's program in artificial intelligence, data science, in finance, and in other fields like master in international management and international business. All these courses are very sought after courses. So thank you so much, and do watch my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.